race number 1. Good luck. On a winner take all and the rock. Alexis Diamond, Princess Wanda, Wildstorm running in between runners, then followed by the rail bike. Camora now moves up to take the lead. Camora takes the lead. Princess Wanda running alongside, racing into the Alexis Diamond. Prince Papay moving up by the rail, then comes Wildstorm, then running on the outside, Cecilio. There was a spill. Rider up, got to know Jackie Jonathan Hernandez, left unseated as they race towards the last 450. Two runners parting out for the lead. Princess Wanda, Camora by the rail, Alexis Diamond, and racing in for his Prince Papay as they turn for home. Princess Wanda, Camora, Alexis Diamond, Prince Papay remains in fourth, and down the stretch, leading the finish line. Princess Wanda by about 2 lengths now. Alexis Diamond moving up to take second. Camora drops back in third with 50 meters. It's all Princess Wanda. Second, Alexis Diamond. Then comes Camora, Cecilio, Wildstorm, Prince Papay.